Hey, it's TaxQuips time from TaxMama.com. Today, TaxMama hears from Nancy in the TaxQuips Forum with several questions. I am to be married this year, and I'm going to be filing as married, filing separately. Can I claim my husband since he's disabled and collecting Social Security disability? Also, I understand that I can't mix the standard deduction and itemizing on Schedule A. What I choose for my 1040 has to be the same as on his 1040, right? And can taxes be deducted from Social Security income? Well, Nancy, first of all, congratulations. Getting married is always exciting. But filing separately? I'm sure you have your reasons, but please think very carefully before you do this. Why? Well, using the married filing separately status, 85% of your husband's Social Security income becomes immediately taxable. Of course, if you earn over $30,000, then it would be taxable anyway, so perhaps that's not a consideration. Number two, you're right. If you decide to itemize, in other words, use Schedule A, he loses his standard deduction of $5,700. He'll have to itemize as well, or not. Perhaps his Medicare payments and medical expenses will be deductible. You can add in his sales tax from the sales tax tables and any vehicle taxes. Maybe he will be able to recoup some of that $5,700 he loses if you itemize. And no, sweetie, you can't claim him as a dependent. He's your husband, not your child. If you want him as a child, adopt him. Don't marry him. 4. IRS Publication 501 has a whole list of other credits and deductions you lose when you file separately. And yes, to answer your last question, you can have federal taxes withheld from his Social Security income. Since it will be 85% taxable, that is a good idea, and you can tell them how much you want withheld. Do that after you do some projections to see what his and your tax obligations will be with the different filing statuses. You can use TurboTax's TaxCaster to test out your alternatives for free. But please, instead, consider investing in a consultation with a tax professional. Once somebody knows your circumstances, there may be a better, easier way to accomplish what you're trying to do without filing separately. And remember, you can find answers to all kinds of questions about getting married and other tax issues free. Where? Where else? At TaxMama.com.